Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Now in today's video what we're going to be doing is installing Home Assistant on this laptop. So without further explanation, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to turn it on now. And then we're going to open up F10 to boot into the BIOS because we got to check a few things. So now we're in. What we have to do is you have to make sure UEFI is on, which it is, and the secure is disabled. Which looks like I'm already set to both of those. So, exit saving changes. Then we're gonna head over to the boot menu. And then, since our USB is already plugged in, we're just going to boot. And then we're here. And then we're going to just enter. After it's done doing its thing, and then in a minute we'll be in the setup. Quick thing I forgot to mention: when you are doing this, make sure you have Ethernet plugged in, or else this will not work. And I repeat, it will not work. Okay, so now if you look here, let me turn the lights off so you can kind of see this a little better. You'll see it says system is ready, the browser or app to configure. So, we're going to head over to the computer for the next step. Okay, now we're in, and when you go to the page it'll tell you, it doesn't support a secure connection, it's fine. Open it. And then if it pops up with that, select pair. So let use either one of the DNSs, doesn't really matter. And then, yeah, it's actually kind of easy. An error occurred. So now we have to wait for this to finish. Okay, I think I know the issue. Okay, so my only issue with this is I really can't do anything because my Ethernet cable is going from this my personal computer that I'm using right now to film this video to the laptop. So what I did is I tried to change it, so the DNS, so maybe that worked. Apparently it did not work, so yeah. So yeah, this project was a total flop, so make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And then also make sure you follow us on our Instagram page and also here on YouTube where this video is being filmed. Okay? Remember, comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in another video.